Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today. I'm Tom Brown with Clackamas Community College. I want to share an incredible learning opportunity for your students with you. Are your students ready to dive into hands-on learning experiences that lead to high-wage jobs? Clackamas Community College offers career technical education pathways designed just for them. CTE Pathways classes are a great way for high school students to explore their career interests and develop valuable technical and life skills, all while still in school. Students can choose from several fun and exciting classes, including auto body and collision repair, automotive service, machine tool technology, music technology, and welding. Some of our students at CCC who continue courses in CTE after high school go on to careers at top companies like Intel, Machine Sciences, ReconCraft, and Orchid Orthopedics, making parts that go into space, the ocean, and everything in between. In addition to developing technical skills, CTE Pathways classes can also help students develop important soft skills like communication, teamwork, and problem solving. These skills are essential for success in future college and career. What makes CTE Pathways courses even more unique is they are blended courses with both CCC students and high school students participating. This creates a fantastic opportunity for high school students to interact with college students, gaining insights and experiences that can inspire their academic and career aspirations. Classes are conveniently scheduled early, midday, and after high school hours, making it easy for students to fit into their busy lives. CTE students also have access to campus resources, services, and clubs, providing additional support and opportunities to engage with the college community. CTE Pathways classes offer college credit and can help students get a head start on their college education, which can save students time and money on their college degrees. Finally, CTE Pathways classes are a valuable resource for high school students. They can help students develop the skills they need to succeed in college and careers. If you're a high school counselor or teacher, I encourage you to talk to your students about CTE Pathways and help them get involved in a program that's right for them. Help your students take the first step toward an exciting career. Explore CTE Pathways at Clackamas Community College today.